Hello students, how are you? Today we will solve exercise 3.2 chapter matrix, some trigonometric type questions. That is question number 6 from NCERT exercise 3.2. Simplify. Question is simplify cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta minus cos theta sin theta. Okay. You have to simplify it. First of all, you will multiply by cos theta in each element of this matrix. Then cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, cos theta into sin theta cos theta into minus sin theta cos theta into cos theta. What will you find? Cos square theta. Same as we will multiply by sin theta in each element of second matrix, that is sin theta into sin theta sin square theta, sin theta into minus sin theta cos theta, sin theta into cos theta sin theta cos theta, and sin theta into sin theta sin square theta. Okay, now we have to add both matrix first and matrix second. Now we will add cos square theta plus sin square theta. I have written sin theta cos theta and minus sin theta cos theta. I have written sin theta cos theta and minus sin theta cos theta. Same minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta. I write here minus sin theta cos theta and plus sin theta cos theta, and cos square theta sin square theta, cos square theta plus sin square. You know that first trigonometric identities sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Here is value is 1. Plus sin theta cos theta minus sin theta cos theta will be cancelled. Means what will be the value? Value will be 0. Now minus sin theta cos theta, that will be cancelled, means 0, and cos square theta plus sin square theta, its value will be 1. Okay. Now its matrix value is 1, 0 and 0. Now we will solve question number 13 of exercise 3.2. This question is also a trigonometric type matrix question. Okay. Now we will solve question number which 13. Okay guys. Question number 13. It is given fx equal to cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1. And you have to show that fx fy equal to f x plus y. Now similarly we will write the value of fy same as fx. First of all, I have written left hand side, means what? fx fy. Fx value has given cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, and 0, 0, 1. I have written. Similarly, you have to written fy, means you will be write y instead of x. Okay, in place of x you will write y. Means cos, what will you write? Y, minus sin, what will you write? Y, 0, sin y, cos y 0, and 0, 0, 1. Now you have to multiply. See the question, you have to multiply first matrix to second matrix. Rule is that you will multiply row into column. What is rule? First row of first matrix into column of second matrix. See here. In the first row there is element cos x minus sin x 0, and in the second matrix column is cos x sin y 0. You will multiply similarly, means cos x into cos y. I have written here cos x into cos y. Row minus sin x into column, same, that is row. Okay, row into what? Column. Cos x cos y, cos x cos y, minus sin x into what? Sin y, means minus sin x sin y, minus sin x sin y. Okay, 0 into 0, See the element 0 into 0, 0. Similarly, in the second column, you will write same function. Row into second column means cos x minus sin y. Cos x minus sin y. Okay? Minus sin x plus cos y. Minus sin x plus cos y. Similarly, row 0 into 0, 0. Go to the third column. Similarly, cos x into 0, 0. Minus sin x into 0, minus 0. And 0 into 1, 0. I think you have understood. If not, please see the second row. Now, second row is sin x cos x 0. And you will multiply 1 by 1 into column. Sin x into cos y. Sin x cos y. Cos x into sin y. Cos x sin y. 0 into 0. 0. Clear? Come to the second column. Sin x into minus sin y. Minus sin x sin y. Cos x into cos y plus cos x cos y. 0 into 0, that is 0. And the third row, sin x into 0, 0. Okay? Cos x into 0, 0. And 0 into 1, 0. Similarly, we will come to the third row. Okay? 0 into cos y. Row into what? Column. 0 into cos y. 0. I have written 0 for every element. Okay? 0 into sin y. 0 and 1 into 0 equal to 0. What you will find? 0 over 0. Second, 0 into minus sin y. 0. 0 into cos y. 0 and 1 into 0, 0. Overall what I have written? 0. Okay? And sorry, I have written here 0 plus 0 plus 0. And third, 0 into that's row into column. 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0, and 1 into 1. What you will find the value? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, you know that is formula is cos x plus y. Cos a plus b equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Similarly, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y equal to what? Cos x plus y. I have written here cos x plus y. And when minus will be common, you will be finding sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. When minus will be common, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. That is the formula of sin x plus y. Sin a plus b equal to sin a cos a plus cos a sin b. Here I have written minus and similarly sin x plus y. Okay, and the third 0 minus 0 equal to 0. Next, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Sin a cos b plus cos a cos b is the formula of sin a plus b. Similarly, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y equal to sin x plus y. And in second, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b is the formula of cos a plus b. I have written here cos x plus y. And 0 plus 0 plus 0 equal to 0. And in the third, 0. Okay guys, then 0 and 1. I have written 0, 0, 1. Then you know that cos x plus y minus sin x plus y, sin x plus y, cos x plus y, 0, 0, 0, 1. And function is what? Fx equal to cos x. You've seen that x is replaced by x plus y. And so you will write fx plus y. That is right hand side. You know, cos and x is replaced by what? X plus y minus sin x is replaced by x plus y. 0 sin x is replaced by x plus y. Cos x is replaced by x plus y. 0, 0, 0, 1. That is what? F x plus y means right hand side. Now you can solve each question of this exercise. Okay guys, thank you.